What are we eating at the wedding? Wouldn't you like to know? Y'all already know on Wednesdays we talk about weddings. My name is Sydney. I'm engaged. I'm getting married in about, shit, I don't know how many days, maybe like 100 and some days. Friday the 13th, 2021, and we have finally picked our caterer. So honestly, this has been kind of a thing in the works for the past couple of months. So we actually ended up picking Heavenly Gourmet, and we actually had a complimentary tasting with them, and we really loved it. But we decided to take Matt, Jerome's best man and best friend of like 20 something years, with us to our final tasting because we wanted to change up the menu a little bit. So check it out. Like been around like for a long time though.
It's gonna have tomato, mushroom, onion, and it's gonna make the menu a $12
Greek.
menu. So that's a Greek, yeah.
I like how you know.
Traditional tangy. This one is gonna be fresh baby spinach. It's gonna have candied pecans, sugared strawberries, mandarin. So your chicken box, if you want to open that one, our beef roll is what's going to come included with the chicken menu.
Okay.
So that's our house base.
Yeah, that looks great. I've never even seen that.
The potato that's on the top right view.
Oh baby.
Okay, and so this is the salad, coleslaw, and then the cornbread.
Wow. Oh, I like. We had the absolute best time, and we had leftovers for days. So we super recommend Heavenly Gourmet, and Matt that came with us liked it too. And I am not going to tell y'all exactly what we are serving, but I will tell you all it's going to be more of a station vibe instead of a sit down dinner vibe. And the main reason for that is price and timing. And truly and honestly, depending on how you do it, stations can actually be way more expensive than just a basic sit-down dinner. But we decided to go this route because we're gonna have a little bit of a shorter wedding. Our wedding is gonna start at 7 o'clock, and it's gonna be more of like a nighttime vibe. We have so much family coming in that we wanted to make it more of like a gala kind of walk around social feel. We want everyone just like up and moving and dancing and mingling and just literally having the best time that they could possibly have. And again, just wait for after the wedding series, because I'll go into detail about how much we paid, why we picked what we picked, etc. Yeah, catering was just a fat price tag, and that's why it took us so long to pick and choose which caterer to go with. So I am super excited to use Heavenly Gourmet. The people there are so freaking sweet and just so understanding with every little email we send them. So I'm super excited, very grateful, and just really getting down to the bones of things, and time is ticking, and I'm just super stoked. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope y'all enjoyed our little tasting. I hope y'all are looking forward to what we actually serve, our after the wedding series, and just all the great things to come. I love you all so much, and until the next time, bye.